Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Now, let's study Standard 7 Science, Lesson number 5, Food Safety. Student, let us know more about food adulteration in detail. Firstly, let us know the definition of food adulteration. Adulteration is the action of making something poorer in quality by addition of another substance. The chemicals used in adulterants affect the health of the people who are consuming the food materials injected by adulterants. Some adulterants can cause abdominal discomfort and poisoning, which could lead to diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, etc. Other adulterants, if consumed for a longer period of time, may affect the organs and even cause cancer and other life-threatening diseases. Let us learn about the ways in which food is adulterated. The first method is the removal of important components from the food items. For example, sometimes the fat content from milk is removed. This reduces the nutritional value of the milk. Removing the essence of cloves and cardamom also falls under this type of adulteration. Another common way of adulteration is mixing the food materials with substances that are of lower quality, inedible, or cheaper material, or using harmful food colors. Mixing the red brick powder with chili powder is an example of this. Mixing harmful substances such as sand, small stones, iron filings, urea, horse dung, sawdust, etc. with food items is also a common way of adulteration. This is usually done to increase the weight of the food item before selling, so that the seller may get more profit. Let us take a look into the common food adulterants and how can they be identified. Children, do you think the milk which you drink every day is pure? Of course, no. It is also adulterated by mixing water into it. Students, to taste if the milk is adulterated by water, take a drop of milk on a glass slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. If the spread of milk is not appearing milky white, water must have been added to the milk. Mixing the red brick powder with chili powder. To check the presence of brick powder in red chili powder, first take a spoonful of chili powder and add it to water in a glass. Mix well and keep the solution undisturbed for some time. If the chili powder is pure, it will form a layer near the surface of the water. If a part of it settles at the bottom, it must be adulterated with brick dust. Similarly, to taste if turmeric powder is adulterated with metanyl yellow, we should take some turmeric powder and HCl in a test tube. Upon mixing the two, if the solution becomes red and red color does not disappear, then it is adulterated with metanyl yellow. Rava is a commonly used item in Indian cuisine. It is often adulterated with fine iron filings. To identify the adulteration, simply pass the magnet through the rava. If iron filings are present in it, they would adhere to the magnet. Students, let us know the government interference to control food adulteration. In order to stop food adulteration, Government of India came up with the legislative solution. In 1954, Parliament passed the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act. It has been amended from time to time. The latest amendment in 1976 provides life imprisonment for the person involved in adulterating food with harmful substances. It gives guidelines on how to properly store and pack the food materials so that these are not damaged. Government has put forward laws to prevent food adulteration and punish the ones who commit such a crimes with life imprisonment. It also ensures that there should be clear and legible information on the product about manufacturing and expiry date and storage information. Children, adulteration of goods can be observed by different experimental methods, and we should try to avoid adulterated goods. Students, always remember, chemicals are often injected into the fruits to make them look more attractive and fresh. Some milk vendors add urea to the milk so that it appears to have more fat content. Some shopkeepers change the expiry date of products in order to avoid a financial loss on the item. Banana vendors often use calcium carbide and other chemicals to make bananas look more ripe. Sometimes harmful chemicals like carbonated soda, phosphoric acid, etc. are also mixed with the aerated cold drinks. Students, let us see the question and answers of the respective lesson. Students, let us see the first question. Fill in the blanks using correct options from the given bracket. Alright, so let us see the first fill in the blank. Drying the food grains from farms under the hot sun is called dehydration. So what is the correct answer here? Dehydration. See the second one. Materials like milk are instantly cooled after heating up to a certain high temperature. This method of food preservation is called pasteurization. So your answer is pasteurization. Then third, fill in the blank. Salt is a natural type of food preservative. So answer is natural. Then see the fourth, fill in the blank. Vinegar is a chemical type of food preservative. So your answer is chemical. Okay, now let us see question number 2. Answer the following questions in your own words. See question number A. How is milk pasteurized? Very good and important question also, children. See, the answer is the milk is heated up to 80 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then cooled it quickly. This destroys the microbes present in the milk and then it can be stored for a longer time. See now question number 2. Why should we not consume adulterated food materials? See the answer. Consuming adulterated food may result into ill health. The various types of adulterations affect our body in different ways. It may result into food poisoning or may cause abdominal discomfort. Some adulterants may affect the functioning of some organs. If contaminated food is consumed over a long period of time, it may cause cancer. Question number C. What precautions do your parents take to keep foodstuff safe? See the answer. First point, drying in hot sun, then freezing, salting, storing in airtight containers, covering the food properly. Use the natural preservatives like salt and sugar. D question. How does food spoilage occur? Which are the various factors spoiling the food? Answer is food spoilage occurs due to many reasons. First point is the wrong and careless transportation of the foodstuffs from the farm to the customer can cause food spoilage. Second point, improper handling, storage and transportation leads to major spoilage. Third point, some foodstuffs have intrinsic factors which makes them perishable. Milk, meat, etc. have acidic or alkaline contents which get spoiled soon. Fourth point, chemical reactions occur in the food. Some are reactive to the metals and this results into production of harmful compounds. Microorganisms from surrounding air, water and land enter the food and cause their deterioration. Insects also attack and food, and such infested food is bad for health. Let's see last question E. Which methods of food preservation would you use? Answer is methods of preservations. First, freezing. Second, smoking. Third, use of insecticides. Fourth one, irradiation. Fifth point, use of inert gas. Sixth point, use of preservatives, natural preservative as well as chemical preservatives and pasteurization. Students, I have provided remaining questions in the PDF form. So you will have to click on the link given in the description box so that you will get all the remaining question and answers. Thank you.